Welcome to Crafted Template. Today, I will be showing you guys how to host a static HTML template on GitHub pages completely free. By the end of this video, you will have your website live on the internet in just a few minutes. To get started, you have to go to github.com. If you don't already have an account, you can create an account with GitHub. It's free and it's easy. But if you already have an account, just log into your account and go to your repo or repositories. When you go to the repositories, it will give you a list of all the repo you have. What you can do is you can click on the new button here to create a new repo. When you click on the new button, give the repository a name. For this one, I will just call it grade calculator. You can decide to give it a description of whatever you want, but for now I'll just leave it blank for the purpose of this short tutorial. Now you just go down and click on the create repository button. Now this is done. What this does is it creates a container for you on repo where you can put your web files, the files from the website you created, on your laptop or wherever. And there's two ways to get the files from your computer to GitHub. One, you can use the command line from your code editor, the terminal. From the terminal, and then the command line, you can do work from there, and then you just follow this instruction. That step I will show you guys in another video. But for this video, since it's a static website, what you can do is you can actually click on this upload button, which is the easiest way. Just click on the upload an existing file button, and then you can drag your files to this box right here, and you can just upload your content, the content of your website that way. So for this one, I'll just go to my template files, find my computer, HTML, let's say great calculator, this one. I'll just select the file and I can just drag and drop. So you can do the same. Just go to where the file is saved in your laptop, open the folder, just drag and drop the content there, and you see all the content is right here. Again, you can decide to add like description to this change you want to commit, this commit changes section, or you can just leave it blank. I'll just leave it blank. So, and then click on commit changes button and wait for the processing of the files. You now have a copy of the website file on GitHub. What you want to do now that you have the copy of the website files is go to settings, click on settings, and go down and click on pages. Now when you click on pages, under this branch section, branch and deployment section, under branch, click on none and select main, which means you are pushing from the main branch. Now this button, deploy a branch, is asking you where you want to deploy from. So we want to deploy from a branch, and the branch we want to deploy from is main. And when you look at the code, you will notice that there is a branch. This branch, we have all our files in the main branch. So we are asking GitHub to pick up the files that we saved in the main branch and use it to get the live URL for our website. So that is basically what it means. So again, just select main and click on save. When you click on save, you just have to wait a little bit for GitHub to generate a live URL for you to access the website. Now, once GitHub gives you this URL, you can send this URL to anybody access from different places, the website, your browser, on your laptop, your desktop, your phone, your tablet, and the website will be live. And one important thing I want you to take note is that the index.html, which is the entry point of your your website should be in the main folder. So this is what I mean. When you see the index.html, which is the entry point of this grade calculator website, is right here. So it, don't put it inside a different folder. Don't say, let's say, don't create, like say, don't put the index.html inside the docs folder or the asset folder. Just leave it in the root so that GitHub can access the index.html file. So once I do that, I'll have to refresh this page, and there we go. We now have this live URL from GitHub. Just copy this URL, go to a different tab, and there you go. The website is live. So you can share this URL to anyone, and you now have your website live. So that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also like the video and follow us for more tutorials on how to host your web pages for free in like various online platforms. And also we also have the crafted template website, where you can get free templates for whatever you need it for. Maybe you need a template to spin up and edit for a client or for your school project. You just go to craftedtemplate.com and you can get some free templates for whatever you want. Okay guys, my name is Festayo. This is Crafted Template. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.